Good morning vlog. It is Saturday, September 15th. This is my room. No, it's seriously not even close to being set up. I'm just getting ready this morning. My dad and I have a ton of errands to run. We're gonna try to piece this room and the rest of our apartment together. Stuff needs to be hung on the wall. My room needs a complete makeover. Last night I just slept on this mattress right here. It was actually surprisingly comfortable and I slept really well. And the other thing is I like live on a very busy street and apparently there was a screaming girl at like 2 o'clock in the morning. Taylor already went to work this morning, so it is just my dad and I here hanging out. There's also a football game today, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to go. I just have to go and scan my ID card. If you haven't seen the last video and you want to know more about the situation and what happened, go check that out because I think I explained everything. Right now I just woke up and I clearly look wonderful. I'm gonna brush my hair and get dressed so that we can get this day started, be productive, fix all this. We made it to Home Depot and I'm gonna go to the floral section or floral department because I forgot my cactus at home. I need like a third plant to go on my thing. Oh, they have really cute stuff here. Home Depot, look at all these. That's really cute. Oh, I could do something like this. That's only $8.99. I think I'm gonna get one of these. This guy looks pretty good. Oh, not that one. This guy's the winner. So we're having a little problem on the bed right now because these things are $7 each and I need 10 of them. So that's like $70 to fix my really cheap bed that I'm literally gonna keep for 2 years and then trash because I'm mad at it. I don't really know what to do. Do we just go to Fred Meyer's and buy a new bed? Like honestly, I'm so down. Right now we're trying to find wood that is quality and will actually hold my mattress up but also isn't gonna break the bank. We solved our problem and found cheaper wood that's also thicker. Yay, so we're just gonna get less pieces and it'll only be 20 bucks instead of 70. We're back at the fancy Fred Meyer. Comment down below if you know what vlog that's from because that's like one of my favorite videos. We're gonna go look for a towel rack and for a desk for Taylor. We can't get in that way. We got quite the haul. My drawer organizers wouldn't fit in my desk drawer, so I had to get less deep ones. And then we got trash can, a vase for decor, and a towel rack.
My light hit the sand. I'm the moon and you're my sun.
We have a bed! Yes, finally! All right, now it's time for the bed.
Sleeping next to you, giving every piece of me. Wake up with you too. Wanna put us on repeat. Watch me falling, moving next to you. Setting all my fire free. Watch me falling when we beat as two. Taking all the time we need tonight.
Let's pick the one. I think whatever, like which color looks better. There's this one which super blends in, and then I have the pink, and then maybe this, I don't know. This one pops a little bit more. This pops with this. I kind of think I should pop it. The only thing is that this is like the same vibe, and this could clash. But it's not that bad.
I don't think it's that bad. One thing that really bugs me is that this is so similar to this.
Yeah,
It's like,
I think I should do this one. We're doing it.
You too.
I think we have successfully made the bed. Okay, Taylor and I just set up our Roku TV, so we got our music all playing on there now. So now we got music in our apartment, and I'm just gonna do a time lapse. Whoa. I'm gonna do a time lapse of me setting up my room and cleaning everything up. My dad is starting to hang everything, and we are just gonna power through this. Let's go.
Notice it's getting cold and it's getting darker. I never really heard what you said. You never took the time, but I never listened. As the sun goes down, thoughts fill my mind. Seems like our summer is through.
Okay, so I just planned my gallery wall that's gonna go right there above my desk. It actually turned out really well. I like how it's got like the green matches this and then the gold that's there. I feel like it's good planning. My room is starting to really come together, but I'm not gonna show you guys because I'm gonna do room tours. Hate to say, you're just gonna have to be patient and wait. The living room is like almost all the way complete, which is exciting. We're just watching people get ready for game day. My room is coming together so quickly right now. My dad and I are killing it. We are just like double time. Everything's going up on the walls. It is snack plate time. My dad and I are starving and have not had food, so we're gonna make world's most beautiful snack plate. Pretzels. Definitely gonna need more than that. Oh, I forgot to get cheese. The hummus. This is so weird that I have a kitchen. Oh, well, cheese. I bring snacks. Okay, update, I'm actually going to the duck game for a tiny bit. I have to go anyway to get my ID scanned. So I'm gonna go. I am literally looking like complete trash. I'm wearing this shirt from Urban, and then these are Brandy Melville with some white, what are these called? Adidas. We're gonna go have fun. I'm waiting for Katie to text me. She's walking over right now. We're gonna go to the game. I might film a couple clips there. Doug is working on a lot of lights and things. I'll show you guys what he is assembling. Aren't fathers just the best? So many wires. Yeah, it's gonna look cool. So we're gonna hang those. That's what he's gonna work on, and maybe try to build the other drawers that are in my bed. We're gonna leave the game early, which is sad, but we just have a lot to do today, and this is our one day to get it done. So we need to just get the ball rolling. I just realized that I forgot to film at the game, not that we were there for very long. We all have so much to do that we need to leave. So.
I was more stressed out being at the game than I was enjoying it, so.
Yeah, we just have a lot to do, and we needed to go there. We saw everybody we know. Yep. I can't even think of actually anyone.
The class isn't even here yet. 30 people there.
Yeah,
so
that's one of the great things about the duck games is you literally see everyone you know.
See everyone you know everywhere near Eugene.
For people's argument of like, oh, I want a small school, like I want to run into people I know. Like you can get that here. So.
It's also a big school.
It's got the best of both worlds. We're having this frozen lemonade right now from Minute Maid. Pro tip, this is the best to get. Usually I get the freezes from Dutch Bros, but Dutch Bros was closed. So I was really upset about it. Katie's back where she belongs, in my bed.
Guys, testing. So cute. I can't wait for you to
testing out my blanket. I'm gonna try to hang these.
I give it a 10 out of 10 for plushness. And I give this pillow like a 9.5 out of 10 for sleeping abilities.
Well, we're having our first meal in the apartment. I made spaghetti. There's Julia eating the beautiful spaghetti. Really proud of myself for cooking. That's all. Okay, sorry I never got to end the vlog. Taylor and I ended up going to Target and to Home Goods TJ Maxx, and we picked up a couple more things that we needed for the apartment, and we were just like on the grind. We wanted to finish like a lot of the decorating and organizing, and so we got a lot done, but there's definitely still a lot more I have to do. Like I need to put all my makeup away and reorganize my desk drawers and the bathroom drawers, and honestly every single drawer. I'm so tired. These past 2 days have been so exhausting because I have been non-stop just going. That's all for this move-in day vlog. I hope you guys like part 2. Everything really worked out so well, exactly how I wanted it. It just really shows what like being patient has to offer. If I've learned one lesson from this whole moving process, that if you get an IKEA bed, it literally does not come with the little boards to go in your bed, so you won't be able to put a mattress on it. This is like a thing because I've talked to many people, and apparently they had IKEA beds and the same exact thing happened to them, and they had to make their own. It's all good. It is 12:36. I'm gonna go to bed. I have meetings and tons of stuff to do tomorrow, but I'm gonna try to edit this video so I can hopefully get it up, at least part 1 for you. So if you haven't seen part 1, go check it out. It's like the whole moving thing. If you made it to this point in the video, be sure to comment down below your favorite type of cereal, because I need to start becoming more of a cereal eater, and I want to try a new flavor, but I want to know what you guys like so I know what to get. Comment down below your favorite cereal. I'll be sure to reply back to you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Night.